Hello students, as we have completed up to self-practice 8G, isn't? Now we are going to start self-practice 8H. So here what we have to study? We have to study about the simple interest. What we have to study? We have to study here about the simple interest. First of all, what is simple interest? Interest is an amount that is paid for the loan of money or by banks for the use of money deposited by the customer with them. When you are going to deposit money or when you take loan, so there is some interest comes which you pay later on, correct? Now, one of the many types of interest is called simple interest. It is money paid only on the principal. Principal means what the money you take from the bank. The principal is the amount of money deposited or borrowed. That is the principal which you borrow or which you deposit. Then on that money there is some interest, means which you have to pay as a fine, and for how much time you are taking that interest. P means for how much time you are taking the interest. Now the formula for simple interest is simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. So here what is the simple interest? Principal, the amount which deposit or borrow, rate or what percent of fine you have to pay, and time, how much time you will take to pay the fine. Now see, or in short we can write SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Okay. Now one formula is this. Suppose you have to find P. So P will become SI into 100 upon R into T. Suppose you have to pay P, so you have to find P, so it will be SI into 100 upon R into T. And if you have to pay if you have to find R, SI into 100 upon P into T. And if you have to find T, SI into 100 upon P into R, and your SI's amount means A is also equal to principal plus SI. Okay, A is equal to principal plus SI. This is the basic formula to find the interest. The first one is simple interest, that is principal into rate into time upon 100. Then what is simple interest? P into R into T upon 100. What is principal? SI into 100 upon R into T. What is rate? SI into 100 upon P into T. And what is time? SI into 100 upon P into R. And what is the amount? Means total how much is coming including your principal, that is principal plus simple interest. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear to you all? Now come to question number 1. Question number 1. What is there in question number 1? In question number 1 we have to find missing values. I, if P is equal to rupees 800, R is equal to 5% per annum. Per annum means in a year. And T is equal to 2 years. So what your formula is there? SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So you will have 800 into 5 into 2 upon 100. cancel out. 5 to the 10 and 10 is the rupees 80. What is your here simple interest? Rupee 80. Clear? Once more, SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So 800 into 5 into 2 upon 100. 0 will be cancelled out. 8 5s are 40, 42 is 80. So rupees 80 will be your interest. Now, second question. In second also you have to find simple interest. If P is equal to rupees 5,000, R is equal to 6.5% per annum and T is equal to 3 years. So what is the formula? SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100, then 5,000 into 6.5 into 3 upon 100. 0 cancel out. 15, 5 3s are 15, 15 5s are 75, 15 6 are 90 and 90 plus 7 97, 975. Na? So your interest will be rupees 975. Once more you can see SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Means 5,000 into 6.5 into 3. 0 will be cancelled out. By removing the 0, here decimal will be removed. 5 3s are 15, 15 5s are 75, 15 6 are 90 and 90 plus 7, 97. So what will be your interest? 975. Clear? Now see the question number 3. In question number 3, you have to find R if I is equal to rupees 364, P is equal to rupees 1300 and T is equal to 7 years. So here R is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. So SI is how much? 364 into 100 upon P is 1300 into 7. 0 cancel out. 7 you see which 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14. 13 4s means what is the rate here? 4%. What will be the rate? 4%. Once more you see rate is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. The SI is 364 into 100 upon 1300 into 7. 0 will be cancelled out. 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14 and 13 4s are 52. 4% rate of interest is there. Clear? Now next question, question number 4. Find P if I is equal to rupees 440, R is equal to 5% and T is equal to 4 years. So what will be your principal? I into 100 upon 5 into 4. R into T. That will be 440 into 100 upon 5 into 4. 5 20s are 4 5s are 5 zeros is 0, 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20. 2200 will be your principal. I will repeat it. P is equal to I into 100 upon R into T. I is 440 into 100 upon 5 into 4. 5 20s are and 4 5s are. 5 zeros is 0, 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20. So your answer will be 2200. The principal amount will be how much? 2200. Now question number 5. I is equal to rupees 455, R is equal to 7% and P is equal to 1300. So T is equal to SI into 100 upon P into R, which will be equal to 455 into 100 upon 1300 into 7. 0 0 cancel out. 7 6 are 42, 7 5 are 35. 13 5s are. This is equal to 5 years. 5 years. Now see once more. What you will get? Principal at the time is equal to SI into 100 upon P into R. SI is 455 and into 100 upon 1300 into 7. 0 0 cancel out. 7 6 is 42, 7 5 is 35. And after that 13 5 is 65. So how much time it will take? 5 years. Okay, clear? Now come to question number 6. What is there in question number 6? After 2 years, the credit balance in a saving account earning simple interest was 585.75. The original amount was rupees 550. What is the interest rate? So here amount is how much? 585.75 and principal is equal to 550. So what is your SI? Amount minus principal, which is 585.75 minus 550, which is equal to 35.75. So here time is given as 2 years. So what do you have to find? Rate. The rate is 35 means interest into 100 upon P, 550 into 2. Okay. Now 11 15s are. Now 11 3s are 33. 11 3s are 33.25. 50 2s are and 2 2s are. So 3.25 interest. What is the rate of interest you have to pay? 3.25%. Now amount is 585.75. Principal is 550. SI is amount minus principal means 585.75 minus 550. That is equal to 35.75 and time is equal to 2 years. What will be the rate? 35.75 into 100 upon 550 into 2, that is 3.25%. Okay students, is it clear to you all up till here? Now see question number 7. In what time will 1860 amount to 2641.20 at simple interest of 12% per annum? In what time? So rupee 1860 means here principal is rupees 1860, amount 2 2641.20, rate 12%, and SI 2641.20 minus 1860 is equal to 0.20 will be there only. 1, 14 minus 6, 8, 15 minus 8, 7. Okay. Now, what will be your time? 781 means interest into 100 upon 1860 means principal into 12. That is, what is 12? Principal into rate. Now 0 will be cancelled out. Now see 6 table. 6 3s are 6 1s are. 6 table here also. 6 1s are 6. 3s are 0.2. Okay. Now 12 table. 12 1s are 12. 10. So it will not go. Point 102. So by 3 you can get 2 6 and 2 5s. By 3 you got 3 2s are 3, 4s are 12, then 10, 3s are 0.6. Then by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1.8, 21.8. Now 31 is remaining. It should come 24. Two 2641.20 na, and 1860.20 will go 1, 14 minus 6 8, 14 minus 6 8, 30, 15 minus 8 7. 12, 6 are 72. Those 65 0.10. Correct? 0 and 0 is already cancelled out. 3 6 18. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3.7. Hmm. 17 minus 6 7 1. 11 minus 8 3. 3.5. The time will be 3.5 years. Okay. Now see once more. Principal is 1860. Amount is 264.41.20. Rate is 12%. The 2641.20 minus 1860, that is 781.20. Now 781.20, into 3.5 into 100 upon 1860 into 12. 12 directly you can cut, it will be going 65.10, then by 3, 6 18, 3 2s are 6, so 321.7. Now 62 is remaining and that become 217, so you will get 3.5 years, means total time for this rate to be paid, that is 3.5 years. Clear? Now come to question number 8. Okay students, is it clear up to here? Now come to question number 8. Find the simple interest on 7300. So principal is rupees 7300 time, you can find time like this. It is from 10th May to 10th September. So you can see in May how many days will be there from 10th May to 10th September. See, in May there is remaining 21 days plus 30 days plus 31 days plus 31 days plus 10, that is equal to 123 upon 365 year. And R is equal to 5%. What will be your I? 7300 into 123 upon 365 into 5, and here it will be 100. 0 0 cancel out. Now 5 7s are 5 3s. Okay. Now 73 1s. What is the rate of interest? 123 rupees. How much interest he got? Rupees 123. Now see, principal is 7300. Time is 10th May to 10th September. That will come 123 upon 365 days. And rate is 5%. So how much interest will come? 7300 upon 100 into 123 upon 365 into 5. So you can see 5 73s are 365 and 73 ones 73. 0 0 cancel out. So how much is remaining? Rupees 123. Is it clear? Now see question number 9. A sum of 400 amount to 480 in 4 years. What will it amount to if the rate of interest is increased by 2%? So firstly what you will find? So the amount is 480 and principal is 400. What is I? 480 minus 400, that is 80 rupees. What is time here given? 4 years. So what is your R? 80 into 100 upon 400 into 4. So 0 0 cancel out. 4 20s and 4 5s. The rate of interest is here 5%. If R is equal to 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7%. Okay, what will amount to? So here I will become how much? 400 into R is given as 7%. Time is T upon 100. It will become 112. Your amount will be 400 plus 112, that is 512. Okay. See this question. Amount is 480, principal is 400, I is 480 minus 400, that is 80. Time is 4 years. So R will be 80 into 100 upon 400 into 4, which will get at 5%. It is saying if 2% is increased, then R will become 5 plus 2, 7%. So 400 into 7 to 4 upon 100, that will be 112. So your new amount will be 400 plus 112, that is 512. Is it? Now come to question number 10. On a certain sum, the simple interest at the end of 6 1 by 4 years become 3 by 8 of the sum. Find the rate of interest. Then let P is equal to P, I is equal to 3 by 8 of P, time is 6 1 by 4 means 25 by 4 years. So what will be your R? R will be I into 100 upon P into T. I is 3P by 8 into 100 and P is P only and time is 25 and 4 will be going outside. P cancel out. 25 4s are 4 2s are and 2 2s are. So 3 2s are how much? 6%. What will be the rate of interest? 6%. Okay. What will be the rate of interest here? 6%. Once more, let principal be P. The interest is 3 by 8 of the sum. So that will become 3 by 8P. Time is given as 6 1 by 4 years means 25 by 4 years and I into 100. Okay. I into 100 and P into T, 3P by 8, 8 into 100 into 4 upon time is given as 25 by 4. So this came here into P. P cancel out. 25 4s are 100, 4 2s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. So 3 2s are 6%. So here what will be the rate of interest? 6%. Now come to question number 11. A sum double itself in 8 years at simple interest. Find the rate of interest per annum. So here let P is equal to P. Amount is equal to 2P. So I is equal to 2P minus P, that is P. Time is equal to 8 years. R is equal to P into 100 upon P into 8. P cancel out. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16, 12.5% interest. Okay, how much interest it will get? 12.5%. Okay, again I may repeat, principal is equal to P, amount is double itself to 2P, so 2P minus P it will be equal to P. Time is equal to 8 years. So what will be R? P into 100 upon P into 8. 8, 12.5 means 12.5% rate of interest will be there. Now come to question, last question of this exercise, that is question number 12. In how many years will the principal on a sum of money be equal, simple interest on a sum of money will be equal to principal at the rate of 16.2/3% per annum. It is just the reverse of the 11th one. So here rate is given 16.2/3%. So what it is equal to 50/3%. Principal and is P and I should also be equal to P. So what will be the P? P into 100 upon 50. Here the 3 will go into P. P cancel out. 50 2s are 2 3s are 6 years. Then how many years it will be double? In 6 years. The rate is 16.2/3%. That is 50/3%. P and I should be equal. That is P only. So what will be the time? P into 100 upon 50 into P. 50 2s are 100 and 2 3s are 6. Then how many years it will be double itself? In 6 years. Okay students. Now it is clear to you all? Okay. Okay friends. Thank you and have a good day. That's all for today.